Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian gastronomy, grilled chicken, a delight to the palate. Talking about grilled chicken is talking about the most consumed dish in Peru. Its juicy flavor and affordable cost are some of the variables that explain its success among diners. But they are not the only ones. The truth is that there are more than 13,000 chicken shops throughout the country. An average of 130 million chickens are consumed per year. And if this were not enough, there is Grilled Chicken Day, celebrated bite by bite every third Sunday in July. What is behind this fever for grilled chicken that has colonized both Peru and various countries around the world? Let's delve a little into the history of this dish. The beginnings of grilled chicken as it is consumed today in Peru date back to 1949, when Roger Schuler, dedicated to raising chickens, began to cook these birds impaled on an iron rod, that is, al espeto, to sell them to the public. However, this method was very slow and was not suitable for cooking in large quantities. It was then that Don Roger, together with a friend, designed a new, faster and more efficient cooking system, through a set of rods that rotated inside an oven. Every day, more and more diners came in search of Mr. Schuler's tasty free-range chicken. Over time, a side of French fries and salad was added as a side dish. The dish began to spread throughout the national territory and soon established itself forever in the taste of families. Today, grilled chicken is recognized as cultural heritage of the nation. A chick that is true, exists all over the world, each with its seasoning, its garnishes, its traditions, but nowhere has it penetrated popular sentiment as much as it has in Peru, where you can find a chicken shop even in the smallest towns far from the big cities, explains the prestigious Peruvian chef Gastón Acurio. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon mustard, 115 milliliters of black beer, half a personal bottle, 2 tablespoons red vinegar, 2 tablespoons chair, 1 tablespoon ground ponca chili, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 chicken, 1.6 kilograms, gutted. Salt. Preparation: in a bowl, mix the cumin, black pepper and a tablespoon of salt. Cooking: in another bowl, mix the mustard, black beer, vinegar, silao, ají ponca and garlic. Add the dry mixture. Place the chicken in a high roasting pan and bathe it with the previous preparation. Place the roasting pan in the refrigerator for 12 hours, turning the chicken occasionally so that each side is bathed in the marinade juice. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. Remove, cut the chicken into 4 parts and serve. Ready, a delight to the palate. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.